Hey guys, just wanted to show you a quick tip for cutting these Impression Rail Express panels. Because they come as a full assembled panel, they can be a bit of a pain in the ass to cut on a miter saw. This little trick will help you cut them. Now, depending on what kind of saw and stand setup you've got, you're gonna have to modify this. What I did was I measured from the bottom of these to the top here, and that was 4.5 inches. So I stacked a layer of inch decking with 3.5 inches there, and got these arms that help support the panel so it's not so awkward to hold it while I cut it. Otherwise, you're going to be kind of having to brace it against your belly, and it's much more difficult to get accurate cuts that way. So I'll show you what this looks like, and it's a lot more stable. So if you've tried to cut these without doing this, you'll know how much of a pain it is. Look at that, it sits there. I can even extend it out, cut just a little bit at the end, and instead of having to brace it against myself and do this weird thing where I lean against it like that, I can just hold that, slide it out a little bit, and I barely have to do anything to keep it in a nice aligned position. So hope that helps. Keep doing good work.